Welcome to our YouTube video on how to price your services on Fiverr. Pricing your services correctly is crucial for success as a freelancer on Fiverr. Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. In this video, we'll explore strategies to help you find the right balance when it comes to setting your prices and maximizing your earning potential. Before we dive into the strategies, it's important to note that pricing on Fiverr is influenced by factors such as your skills, expertise, market demand, and competition. Let's explore some key considerations to help you determine the right pricing for your services. Consideration 1. Assess your skills and expertise. The first step in pricing your services is to assess your skills and expertise. Take an objective look at your experience, qualifications, and the value you bring to clients. The more specialized and in demand your skills, the higher your pricing can be. Consideration 2. Research market rates and competition. Researching market rates and analyzing your competition is crucial to understanding the price range for similar services. Explore other freelancers' gigs in your niche and note their pricing structures. Use this information as a benchmark to position your prices competitively. Consideration 3. Evaluate the complexity and time investment. Evaluate the complexity and time investment required for each service you offer. Services that require extensive research, multiple revisions, or specialized tools may warrant higher pricing. Consider the effort you put into delivering exceptional results and reflect that in your pricing. Consideration 4. Account for overhead costs and taxes. When pricing your services, it's important to consider any overhead costs associated with your work. This includes expenses such as software subscriptions, equipment, and self-employment taxes. Calculate your overhead costs and incorporate them into your pricing structure. Consideration 5. Offer different packages and add-ons. Offering different packages and add-ons allows you to cater to clients with varying budgets and needs. Create tiered pricing structures with varying levels of service or additional features. This allows clients to choose the package that best suits their requirements while providing you with additional earning potential. Consideration 6. Consider your target audience and their budget. Understanding your target audience and their budget is essential when pricing your services. If you're targeting small businesses or startups, pricing your services too high may deter potential clients. Consider the budget constraints of your target audience and adapt your pricing strategy accordingly. Consideration 7. Start with competitive introductory pricing. When you're just starting on Fiverr, it can be beneficial to offer competitive introductory pricing to attract clients and build your reputation. This helps you gain initial traction and positive reviews. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can gradually increase your prices. Consideration 8. Regularly evaluate and adjust your prices. Pricing is not a one-time decision. It's important to regularly evaluate and adjust your prices based on market trends, experience gained, and client feedback. Monitor the demand for your services, track your competitors, and make pricing adjustments as needed to stay competitive. Finding the right balance in pricing your services on Fiverr requires a combination of research, self-assessment, and adaptation. By considering these key factors, you can confidently set your prices and maximize your earning potential. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary based on personal efforts and market conditions. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.